What if I told you there's a powerful tool you can install on any Amazon Fire Stick in just minutes? And with this app, you'll unlock access to the latest movies, TV shows, live sports, pay-per-view events, and much more, all for free. That's right, I'm talking about the Nexus build on KODI 21. In today's video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it super easy to set up this amazing KODI build on any Fire Stick device. So if you're ready to take your streaming experience to the next level, let's get started. No matter your level of experience, this guide is designed for everyone. All you need to do is follow each step carefully and completely to achieve the best results. If you skip any part of this video, you might miss out on the chance to enjoy the latest movies, shows, pay-per-view events, and more. But that's not all. By following these instructions to install KODI, you'll also gain access to an incredible platform that offers not only the KODI app, but also 300 dedicated applications, each providing access to the latest and greatest content. So stick with me for just a few minutes and you'll unlock all of these incredible content. So let's start with step number 1. Head over to your search magnifier and scroll down with the Amazon remote control. Highlight the search bar and click confirm on the remote control. Now we're going to search for an application called Downloader. Just typing D-O, and you can already see Downloader appearing if you scroll down. Highlight it and click confirm. It's going to be the first app you see appearing, the orange with white. Click confirm. And in this menu, you want to click confirm once again to start the download and installation process. In here, all you have to do is wait patiently. After it's done installing, what you want to do is press the home button on your remote control. You'll be taken back to the home screen. Now you want to go to your settings gear. The easiest way to do this is scrolling all the way to the top right corner on your Fire Stick home screen, right here. Now you want to scroll down until you highlight My Fire TV or My Device. Click confirm, and you have a few options here. The second option for me is developer options. If you don't have that, don't worry, we're going to unlock that right now. Highlight about and click confirm. Again, in here you have a few options. What we want to do is click confirm 9 times on Fire Stick 4K Max. It might say something else for you depending on the Fire Stick device you have. That's totally fine. Just click confirm on the remote control for 9 times, and after that you will become a developer. Just like that. After that you can press the return button on the remote control and you will see the developer options appearing. Enter it, and the first thing you want to do here is toggle on ADB debugging. Just click confirm and that's it. If you're in the US, Canada, or in the UK, you might receive something like this from your internet provider after using certain apps. Your browsing activity and the apps you use are fully visible to your internet provider, putting your privacy at serious risk. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, you need a reliable VPN like IPVanish. I'm going to show you how to get the best deal and walk you through installing and using it on your Fire Stick. I've chosen IPVanish because it ranks as one of the best and most affordable VPNs. Plus you can install it on all your devices with no limitations on the number of devices. This is by far my top recommendation when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying apps like these. And not only that, it will also bypass all those restrictions your internet provider is putting on your devices. Now, before I open any of these apps, I always make sure my VPN is turned on. Now I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is open any browser on your phone, tablet or PC and go to this website. You can also take out your camera and scan the QR code. Additionally, I'll also leave the link in the description. Now on this website, you'll see an exclusive discount. Choose your plan or just try it for 1 month. Complete your purchase, and once you do, they'll email you with a confirmation with your username and password. After that, you're ready to secure your Fire Stick. On your Fire Stick, go to the home screen, then find the search icon. Scroll down and click on the search bar. And when the keyboard pops up, type in IPVanish. Select the app from the list. In this menu, click download to start the downloading and installation process. Once installed, go to the home screen, click on all apps icon right here, scroll down and find the IPVanish app. Click the menu button on the remote control, select Move, and place the app all the way to the top. Click Confirm. Now open the IPVanish app and log in with your username and password. Now before we hit connect, I want to show you a few settings. Scroll down and select the settings gear. You'll see a menu appear on the other side of your screen. Now I've highlighted where it says connect on Android Startup. If I click the confirm button and turn this on, you won't have to worry about turning on your VPN every time you power up your device. The VPN will connect automatically, so you won't have to interrupt your movie to check if it's on. It'll do it for you. IPVanish also offers split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN. This is perfect for keeping local apps, showing local content when needed. It allows you to route some of your apps or network traffic through the VPN, while other local apps access the internet directly without going through the VPN. And here you'll also have easy access to your account information, and you can contact support if you have any questions or concerns. Alright, now hit the return button and select connect. You might see a pop-up asking if you're sure if you want to connect to the VPN. Just click OK, give your system a moment, and once you see your country light up in green, you know you're protected. You also see a timer showing how long you've been connected. Now that that's done, simply click the home button on your remote control. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you safe and secure. Now you can use any of these applications and enjoy unrestricted content while staying anonymous. No more internet provider letters ruining your day. Now in the downloader app, what you want to do is scroll up until you highlight the search bar. Click confirm on the remote control, the keyboard will be opened. Now let's type in the secret code. But remember, use a VPN. And the code is going to be 499165. So that's 499165. After you typed it in, you want to scroll down until you highlight Go. Click Confirm on the remote control, and it's going to load up this platform. This platform will give us the option to install KODI. But not only that, it will also give you access to 300 exclusive applications that will give you access to all the latest movies, live TV, live sports, pay-per-view events, and more. So after you see this message, you want to hover over Accept and click Confirm, just like I did. Now let it load up fully. So this might take a minute depending on your internet speed, but after it's loaded, as you see right here, the first thing you want to do is press the option button on your remote control. And this menu will appear. Now scroll down once and click Confirm, and click Confirm once again to save it as favorites, so you don't need to type in the code in the future. After you've done that, press the menu button again and scroll down until you highlight full screen mode. Press confirm, and that's done. Now you want to scroll down until you see all categories. If you're looking for a specific app like KODI, you can use the search bar. If you're looking to explore into apps, you can use the category bar to select any category, and it will highlight all those applications. Oh, and you'll always see the apps I use daily right at the top. With these, you won't need anything else. They have it all. Sports, adult content, live streams, and even on-demand content. All in one place. Now let's search for KODI. Scroll up to the search bar and click confirm. Type in KODI. And after KODI is typed in, you want to highlight next and click confirm. Now scroll down until you see KODI and click confirm. In here you can scroll down and you can find a description of any application. So if you're trying to explore for apps but you don't know what an app does, just click confirm and you'll be taken here where you can read the description before installing anything. Now you'll also see a message if you don't have your VPN on. You will exactly see what internet provider you have because you can see all these datas online. And your internet provider can also see what you're doing. So make sure to stream freely, but stay hidden and get yourself the VPN. Turn it on if you have one already. And you can find the description right here. Scroll down until you see downloads. Scroll on the download button and click confirm. After you click the download button and you don't have a VPN turned on, you will receive another warning to make sure you're using a VPN. If your VPN is on, you won't receive this warning. Now, if you're sure you want to continue with the risk of any of these written, you can go ahead and proceed to download. Click confirm on it. And it's going to start the download process. Depending on your internet connection, it might take some time. After it's done downloading, it's going to pop up this message. You want to press the down button on your remote control and then to the right to highlight install. Now click confirm and wait for the installation to get done. And ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. Just stick with me for a few more minutes. Now you want to click confirm on done. And the last thing you want to do is highlight delete because you don't need the KODI installation file anymore. And you want to confirm that you want to delete the file. Now that's done. You want to press the home button on your remote control. Now we're going to find KODI we just installed. Head over to your apps, this icon right here, press confirm, and you'll find KODI all the way in the end. Press the option button and select move. Now scroll up because you want KODI to be on top. After that is done, click confirm and it's going to open up KODI for the first time. It's going to pop up this message, click confirm and click confirm to allow also, and that's that. Now it's going to prepare for the first run. So ladies and gentlemen, KODI itself is just a media player app, but just bear with me for a few more minutes and we'll get KODI fully loaded up to get access to the latest movies, live TV, live sports, pay-per-view events, and more. So now KODI is fully loaded up. You want to go to your settings gear, scroll up and to the right, this icon right here. Click confirm on the remote control and you want to highlight system. Scroll down and to the right. Highlight it right here and click confirm. In here, scroll down until you highlight add-ons, scroll to the right and go down until you highlight unknown sources. Click confirm on the remote control and click confirm on yes, and that's done. Now press return on the remote control and head over to File Manager. Click confirm and scroll down until you highlight add source. Click confirm and click confirm and it's going to pop up the keyboard. Now we're going to type in a link. You'll also see the link appearing on screen. It might be a bit difficult and long, but we'll get there. Just do exactly what I'm doing. And this is not the right icon right here. Scroll until you highlight the shift button, this icon right here. Press confirm, and now you'll see the right one appearing. And we're almost there. There you go. After you typed it in completely, highlight OK. And scroll down until you highlight OK again. Click confirm. And now you want to press the return button on the remote control and go to add-ons. Highlight it, click confirm. And scroll down until you highlight install from zip file. Click confirm in here. And go to the folder we just installed. Click confirm. Scroll down, click confirm once again. And wait patiently for it to get installed. You can see right now it's installed on the top right corner. Now you want to scroll up once, highlight this, and click confirm. Scroll down twice, highlight this, click confirm. In here, you want to go all the way down until you highlight program add-ons. Click confirm on it. And you want to scroll down once until you highlight chef, click confirm. And you're already highlighting install, so just click confirm in here and click confirm once again to start the downloading and installation process. This might take some time. All you're seeing right here is totally normal. Just wait patiently. Don't press anything after it's installed. It's going to open up this menu automatically. You can click confirm once and wait again. Don't press anything. It's automatically going to pop up this menu. You want to highlight yes and click confirm. And in here, you want to scroll down twice until you highlight the free version and click confirm on it. Highlight continue, click confirm, and it's downloading our build. We're almost there. Just bear with me for a few more minutes. And remember, make sure your VPN is turned on. You want to stream freely, but stay hidden. Again, it's very important. Just wait patiently. This might take a few minutes. Installation complete. Now we're going to click confirm on the remote control and it's going to force close KODI. That's totally fine. KODI is closed. Wait a few seconds and click confirm to open KODI. Now it's going to open up KODI with the latest build. We're almost there. So first time opening it up, we need to make sure to have a purple border on each of these icons. Just wait patiently because not everything is fully loaded up yet, and we're going to return back to the home screen. So we waited long enough. Now press the home button and you want to go back to your settings gear on the top right corner, right here. Scroll down until you highlight applications. Click confirm on the remote control and scroll down until you highlight manage installed applications. Click confirm and now find KODI. Scroll all the way down. There you have it. Enter it. In here, you want to scroll down, highlight force stop, click confirm, and scroll down and click confirm on clear cache. After that is done, highlight launch application and click confirm. Now we're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last part. It's loading up the latest build of KODI Xenon 21. Now you can see the purple border, so that's great. Scroll to the right and click confirm on install skins. And for this demonstration, we're going to install Xenon free version. Click confirm on it, highlight yes, and click confirm. It's going to start the downloading process of this skin. Just wait patiently. So that's done. The message will disappear. You won't get any confirmation, but you can scroll down and click on apply skin. Click confirm. And we're going to choose the free version we just downloaded. Highlight it, click confirm, and it's going to apply the skin. Now just wait patiently again. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We have the latest build, KODI 21 Xenon version. Now, if you found that this video was helpful, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. And don't forget, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.